This modern urban house design in Singapore offers a sophisticated blend of contemporary architecture and natural elements, ideal for urban living with a touch of tranquility. Situated on a bustling street with high vehicular traffic, privacy was paramount in the design process. The house strategically turns inward, creating an internal courtyard oasis that spans 3 floors vertically. This courtyard serves as the focal point, providing natural light, ventilation, and lush green views throughout the home. The use of teak wood on the exterior facade adds warmth and sophistication, while also providing durability against the elements. Large pivot screens crafted from solid timber not only serve as a design statement, but also offer practical benefits, deflecting heat and creating privacy for the bedrooms facing the street. The ground floor features an open living, dining, and dry kitchen area that maximizes space and fosters a sense of openness. Facing the tranquil courtyard, this space offers privacy from the street and a serene environment for family gatherings. A staircase adjacent to the courtyard enhances the connection to nature as occupants ascend through the floors. The staircase's design with black painted steel and open timber treads ensures maximum light penetration and adds a modern touch to the interior. To shield the bedrooms from the street noise and heat, large pivot screens of solid timber adorn the facade, offering privacy and temperature control. Teak wood, chosen for its warmth and durability, is used both externally and internally, adding a sense of luxury to the home. The landscape design features a contemporary interpretation of a lush desert theme with a tall Draco tree as the centerpiece in the courtyard. Complemented by big-leafed ferns and tropical palms, the landscape seamlessly integrates with the modern architecture, creating a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. This modern urban house design in Singapore exemplifies a harmonious balance between urban living and a deep connection to nature.